Hey guys, my name is Garima and welcome back to the Creative Kanya. I make videos on DIY art and craft. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel and enjoy the video. The mirror you see here is more than 35 years old and belongs to my mother-in-law. So one day I told my mother-in-law that I am thinking I can give this mirror a makeover and make it an entryway mirror. She loved the idea and let me take the mirror. I will start by cleaning the mirror. I would recommend you to wear a mask when you do such kind of cleaning. There's a lot of dust that flows around.
My surface is more or less clean. I will start with painting this with black color. My plan right now is to cover this area first with black. Give it a nice coat of black.
Few pointers to keep in mind while working with enamel colors. They are oil based, so in case you want to get them off of your hands or brushes, use turpentine oil. Also prefer wearing a set of gloves while you are working with them because it will create much lesser mess in the cleanup. Now let's talk about the front side of the mirror. I am planning to give it an antique look. In order to do that, I will paint it with the black first, and while the black paint is still wet, I will use a sponge and dab some gold over it. I really love how it is coming out to be, so I will paint the entire frame in the similar way. So now the frame is done and let's talk about the mirror. The initial plan was to change the mirror, but now I decided I will not change it, but I will use the existing mirror and frost it. And to frost it, I will be frosting some part of the mirror and I will be leaving some of it as it is and write some welcome home there. Also for frosting, I'll be using the Ancient Paints frost spray and let's see the process now.
So ideally इस काम के लिए I should be using a sticker sheet, but मेरे पास sticker sheet नहीं है and I want to experiment. So what I'm going to do is मैं इसको I'll tape this up. Use this double-sided tape. That might work better.
Now we will start spraying, but before you start to spray, cover the surfaces very well. Shake the bottle carefully and open all the windows in the room. Ideally, you should be doing it outside. Don't forget to wear a mask and also wear a set of gloves before you start doing this. So according to the instructions, we need to do 2 to 3 coats of spray. And between the coats there has to be a drying time of 5 to 6 minutes.
So I'm in the other room and I realized that the fumes are really strong. So I would highly recommend that if you're doing any sort of sprays, it's better to do it outside. And we will in some time see how the first coat has come up and then we will apply the second coat. So I applied the second coat and this is how it looks right now. Let me apply one more coat and then let's have a look. So this is how it is looking right now. I've done the third coat.
So I'm removing the tape to unveil my unfrosted part. It looks quite good, but I can also see that it is a little unclean. So what I'm going to use is I'm using a little bit of turpentine oil to clean up the lines and make it more smoother. Since it is
waterproof. Water will not clean it, so you will have to use turpentine oil in this case.
Now I'm using this Unipaint marker in order to give finishing touches and give a perfect line to the edges, and also I will be writing the welcome home with the same marker. This marker is also waterproof and can only be cleaned with turpentine oil. So we are moving to the final step of the makeover, where I'm adding some flowers. I got these flowers from some exhibition. This is more like wood plus paper kind of flowers, pretty durable and good. Before I started sticking the flowers, what I did was I made the arrangement, took a picture, and now while I'm sticking to it, I am referring to the picture and then sticking them one by one. It is always a great idea to do this because then you don't get confused while you're actually sticking it. Hope you are enjoying the process like I am doing. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you are liking the video, please share it with your friends and do hit that like button. I'm using a hot glue gun to stick my flowers. You can use any other glue which is strong enough to hold such kind of things. I'm adding this little bow here. It is made out of a wired ribbon. And here is the final look. I love it. Tell me in the comment section what you think about it.